YouTube channel. Today, I enjoy Shogayaki. Shogayaki is pork fried with ginger. This is my favorite Japanese food. Please watch this video and try to cook Shogayaki. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First of all, I introduce the ingredient I will use today. I prepare ingredient for 2 people. 150 grams pork, 1 ginger, 1 onion. The seasonings are 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cooking sake. Today, I use half this amount to make shogayaki for myself. First, cut the vegetables. Cut off the top of onion and peel off the skin. Cut it in half and remove the unwanted parts. Cut into 8 to 10 mm pieces. Cut the ginger into rings. Ingredients are ready. Put sugar, soy sauce, and cooking sake in a pot and mix with a spoon. Arrange the pork pieces on the pot. Flip the pork over and season both sides. Place the ginger on top of the pork. Place the onion on top of the ginger. Wrap it and put in refrigerator for 10 minutes. This process allows the pork to soak up the flavor. Prepare the garnish while the pork is cooling. Layer the cabbage and cut into stripes. Slice it as thinly as possible. Put cabbage in a colander. Wash with water and drain. Spread oil on a frying pan. First, fry the onions. If you like the spiciness of onions, you can fry them with meat. I don't like raw onions, so I saute them first to cook them well. Then, add the ginger and pork to the pan. Spread the pork over the pan to evenly brown the meat. Once the pork is cooked on one side, flip it over. Finally, add the remaining seasonings in the pot. Fry until the moisture is gone. Shogayaki is completed. Arrange the garnished cabbage on a plate. Place it on the edge of the plate. Then add shogayaki. Pork, onion, ginger. A delicious shogayaki is ready. Prepare miso soup to eat with shogayaki. Please watch this video for how to make miso bowl miso soup. That is easy to make. Shogayaki lunch made in 20 minutes is completed. Shogayaki is a dish loved by Japanese people. Shogayaki is easy to make. It also goes well with Japanese rice. This dish also has a warming effect as it contains ginger. If you eat shogayaki, the nutrition of pork and ginger will make you be full of energy. Please try it.
Thank you for your reviewing how was Shogayaki. It is easy to cook Shogayaki, so please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like